Hello G, Kim Cho. I hope you all are doing well. So this is more of an introduction. With that, I'm going to do a get ready with me. And this is because I'm going to a wedding reception. So someone in the building we know and we're going as a guest. So I will quickly start. My moisturization is done. I've worn my lenses and we're going to dive into starting to get ready because I barely have 30 minutes. So let's start. Skin is prepped. I've worn my lenses. Yes, I'm gonna start off with my favorite spray and we're gonna spray it. All right. But till the time it's drying, I'm gonna talk to you guys. So my name is Forum Bhargav. I'm a 42-year-old. I live in Mumbai, the city of dreams. I love dancing. I'm a dancer, teacher, choreographer. I've taught dance in the past, so hence a teacher. And I'm getting back to my training, and I am extremely elated, happy, excited to getting back to teaching because I love teaching. So if dance is my first love, then teaching is my second love, if that makes any sense. Yes. So it's been amazing up till now. I've started dancing back again. There is no better way to give yourself that 1 hour, 2 hours, or whatever amount of hours you want to put in for yourself as a dancer and start training. There is no other joy like that. Yes. So I'm quickly going to color correct, not really much, but just my orange corrector. Yes, since everything is done, sat into my skin nicely. Yes, so I was talking to you about what I am doing currently. So that's what it is. I'm also a new cat parent. I have a ginger cat, and she is 1.5 year old. Her name is Pebbles, and she's the most cutest thing that has happened to us in our life. And I totally am fixated and in love with her. Me getting into content creation was just because I found another way that would keep me happy. And again, it's about me wanting to connect with more people who think like me, share my life experiences, and be with like-minded people and share my views on overall everything. So my channel's name is Styled in Motion, and you can find me on YouTube, you can find me on Instagram. I will be linking my profile link on the videos. You can please go there and follow me. Yes, so I'm done with a very little color corrector. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, it's very little. I'm just dabbing it into the skin, and I'm then first going to put in a little powder. Yes, so that stays there as is. I've learned this through creators who do a lot of makeup. So I'm using my Maybelline, right? That's a little darker shade for my under eyes. I will use the same brush, dig in with a little bit and remove the excess and just powder it. Yes, so it is settle in and not mix with my concealer. That's what I am gonna do. And again, since it's not really very, the weather is still hot, like it's not really as how the Mumbai monsoons are. So I'm trying to going to keep my base as minimal as possible. That's because AC में भी हम sweat करते हैं यार. I tell everybody like જે આપણે નળ ચાલુ કર્યું હોય ને પાણી નીકળે એવી રીતે જ છે, just the same that way I sweat, like you on the tap and then sweating ચાલુ. इसलिए I am just going to try to do as less as possible. Nothing great with the eyes as well. We'll try and keep it bare minimum. All right, so we're done with the powder and the concealer. Now I already said why into content creation, because there is something I really have found a connect. I am very happy when it comes being on camera and talking. Like if you meet me in person, I'm a little bit of an introvert, I'm a little bit of a reserved person, but once you get to know me, I am at another level. I can talk, yes. And in front of the camera, it's 10x, like non-stop. Right. So let's get to the next step. I am going to take a little bit of a strobe cream. Oopsie. Yeah. All right. So I'm just going to keep a little bit weight, like I said, minimal, just this much. Yes. I'm not taking in much. I don't want it to, I don't want to shine like a disco ball. Yes. That's it. just on the cheeks a little here because that's your point. And there we go. So I will talk to you a little bit about dancing. I totally am someone who's not, acquired this skill. I'm someone who has been loving dance since I was a child. Okay, and it wasn't easy to get into dancing because it's not a conventional job sort of a thing wherein you're going working 9 to 5 and okay, done, right? And there is no certainty to this because I mean, as a dancer, injuries go hand in hand. So our teacher used to say that you should have a plan B as well. So yeah, I mean, but I'm happy as to where I am, and I'm extremely grateful for the kind of teachers I've had. It's been amazing, right? So we will definitely talk more about dancing as well as we come in, videos. And if you heard that meow, it's my little baby Pebbles. I suppose she wants to go out. So just give me a minute. I'll be putting her out and getting back again. Just I'm back. All right. So where were we? I think I'll keep talking about dance, which is why Styled in Motion. So it's about a lot of style that I bring to the way I dress up. And if that helps someone, I'll be extremely happy. And motion is about dancing. So we will keep talking about all of that. I hope I can put a smile on someone's face. That is the first and the most important reason I started this, because I believe there's so much negativity all around us on our day to day lives. There's so much happening out there in the world. And if by this I can make a little bit teeny weeny difference by adding that smile on your face, you will be the happiest. So let's get in. All right, our color correction is done, everything's done, whatever is needed, primer is done, that stroke cream is done. We're going to go into the concealer and just keep talking. So I would want to know how many of you love dancing. All the ones who do are going to give me a dancing emoji in the comments. Yes, that's something I'm waiting for you guys to do. All right, we're gonna conceal wherever needed, a little bit here, and don't mind these faces. I mean, these are very like normal things that we all do. All the people who do makeup हम सब करते हैं, right? तो आप इसे ignore कर सकते हैं. Right? All right, so the same brush for the concealer as well. And I am going to be needing my powders, which I always forget. There is one teeny mini powder, which I don't know where I have kept it. It's supposed to be here. There it is. This is my love. I will talk to you about that, why, and how I found this. So we're gonna let the concealer dry. All right, till then let's just quickly shape out our eyebrows and just let things be. So I'm just gonna give you a little more insight. I've trained for over 18 years. I started with learning street jazz at Danceworks, and slowly I got into ballet as well. And of course, for the ones who are dancers here, they know that jazz comes from ballet. All those details will be shared with you later in other videos. But I fell in love with jazz. I thought that is that form, that is me. Very stylized, very poised, very elegant, very classy. That is jazz, and I love it. Let it dry off. I think I should get that small mini fan. I see so many people having that, It's gonna help me to kind of, nicely dry up the stuff. Yes. So yeah, and that's it. Yes. And also I have started attending workshops. Now, these workshops, there is this whole workshop culture that has started, right? So the first workshop that I attended was amazing. I was recovering from viral, and I thought, I don't know if I will be able to, but that was the first ever workshop after ages. And it was so good. I am going to upload all the workshop videos. Whenever I go, I am going to upload those videos for you to see. Yes, everything is in process, so don't judge. And if there are any trollers, मैं आपको अभी से बता देती हूँ. देखो भाई, हम बचपन से ट्रोल होते आए हैं कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ों के लिए. अरे you're too slow, you're too fat, you're this, you're that, your skin, blah, blue, blue. बचपन से ट्रोल होते आए, तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. आप आइए, ट्रोल करिए, हम आपको सामने ट्रोल करेंगे, हमें ट्रोलर से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, तो ये नोट कर लीजिए, ठीक है? गोइंग अहेड ऑलराइट, सो we're done with the main thing. I genuinely, have started to feel that relationships, I know, sorry, but it just, there are too many thoughts that come in my head and I'm going to keep talking like that, all right? So I genuinely feel relationships these days, it could be just anything, yeah? People have taken it for granted. People have taken life in short for granted. And I think that is the biggest mistake that, people are making. And we don't value people around us at all. Just dragging the foundation down here. I'm not talking much about makeup. I've already made a Goa series which I'm going to be uploading after this video, and there I have given a full sit down get ready with me with all the products that I've used, and the ones which I haven't used, I'll tell you. Yes, this is a finishing mist, but like this even in between my steps of makeup, so I'm gonna do that once again. Yes, and I went into my mouth. I'm sorry. All right, so basically I was talking about relationships. Yes, people take each other for granted, just like आमज काय कोई जाने काय फरक नहीं पड़ता कोई ने, and that is the worst thing. I mean, I think this is how we are, this is how humans are, and I don't know why is it so difficult. Now for example, if I am texting you and you've gone through that message, you've read it, and you've not responded to me for the first 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, but you've read the message. Maybe you're busy, maybe something's come up, maybe something's happening. No problem. But next day, फिर उसके बाद आप अगर किसी के मैसेजेस ब्लू टिक पे छोड़ देते हो, उसका कुछ मीनिंग होता है. उसका क्या मीनिंग होता है? आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू टेल मी इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन. What do you think? How do you feel about it? Yes, it could be anybody. I'm not talking about a particular thing, and it is not the first time. It has happened a lot of times. So, and I am someone, if I see someone's message, I will be um, replying instantly until and unless I'm extremely busy. I will get back in a few hours. But replying instantly का ये मतलब नहीं है मैं वेली हूँ, I'm jobless, I have nothing to do. Priority, value of the relationship. इसीलिए शायद आपको वो जवाब इंस्टेंटली मिला या तो कुछ घंटों में मिला, क्योंकि मैं वो रिलेशनशिप को वैल्यू करती हूँ. आई सेड इट इज नॉट ए पर्टिकुलर रिलेशनशिप, एनी, मतलब जनरल में हम बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? एंड नाउ before we get into anything, I'm gonna go with my cream blush to quick give some definition. Yes, so yeah, I'm just generally guys talking to you. I said it's a great thing that I'm getting ready, so let's talk to you guys about that's running in my mind, or maybe at currently what comes to my mind. ऐसे कोई मैंने topic नहीं discuss किया. Oh yes, now since I've said this, I'm going to tell you that this particular profile and this channel of mine is going to be raw and unfiltered. If there is something that I'm recording and I have a thought, I'm going to talk and I'm going to share it with you guys. Yes, कुछ आपको फेक नहीं मिलने वाला, कुछ फिल्टर्ड नहीं मिलने वाला, एंड हम सब शेयर करेंगे जो शेयर करने जैसा है. ऑब्वियसली लेट मी बी वेरी क्लियर, ना ये अरे आपने थोड़ा सब शेयर करेंगे तो हाँ, थोड़ा कंट्रोल. ऑलराइट, सो my cream blush is done. I'm going to powder my face. Now before I do that, I'm just going to take my teeny meeny brush which I took for my eyes and just remove the excess, whatever is sat into my lines. I'm going to quickly remove that, and I'm going to powder again with this, with my chotu sa brush. Yes, which I extremely love. Yes, around the eyes again, chotu sa little brush. This, I'll tell you, is an amazing brush. This is from Marza, and it's an amazing concealer highlighter brush. I have been loving it ever since I've got this. Yes, it's done. Now I'm just going to blend it out a little bit more. Yes, and I will be using my favorite powder. आपको इसमें वो क्या पैन दिख रहा है ना so उससे ही समझ जाइए. It's amazing, yeah. It doesn't move. I wear this even when I go for class. Of course, I don't conceal or anything. I just wear this and it doesn't move. It just stays. It's an awesome find, yeah. Yes. So my shade is 128 and this is the Maybelline Superstay Flex Powder Foundation. It is truly amazing. एंड बस नॉन स्पॉन्सर्ड यार, हम तो नए क्या बोलते हैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स है, हमें कौन स्पॉन्सर करेगा नॉट एज येट, आगे हमें पता नहीं, right? All right, so I'm gonna now slowly just powder my whole face because I would not want such a glossy face. Just brush off the excess and just excess, not access, sorry. Done. And since it's an Indian outfit, I'm gonna go down, taking it on my neck as well. Yes. So everything's done and settled. So all the makeup that I have done so far in my life, I have some, few people who have taught me. Of course, one person who is like a sister who taught me initially. Then I have a cousin, Bhabhi, who does makeup. I learned some from her. And then a lot helped me through these content creators on Instagram and YouTube. That's how I learned these tips and tricks. So, and it's a pleasure to share all of that because, I mean, like I said, why not? If this really helps someone, then why not just take it forward and help the other people, look their best. Now we're gonna go into my eyebrows. Sorry, my eyebrow, palette is extremely bad, so I really don't want to kind of show you, but it's from Sivana. There, you can see it's come out. It's from Sivana, and I got this when I was in Bangkok, and I don't find this here, but I know there is something similar like this of pack. So I am surely going to invest in that. I do have pencils also, but I really like the powder. Pencils is something I would do when I'm in a hurry and I don't have time and I just want to quickly kind of make it all put together. That's it. That's when I do it. Also, I like my eyebrows to look pretty natural, even if it's a wedding. I don't like it to be extremely dark. Since I have the eyebrows are very thin and I don't have much of my natural eyebrows, so I don't want to make it look very artificial. Hence, I just keep them very natural. I don't go more than this, and I feel that is something that I personally enjoy. Yes. Now we're gonna go in with little bit of warming up the face. All right, and we're going to be using my blush brush. So I'm gonna go in with, because there are a lot of purples, and I'm going to show you the outfit as well after that. A lot of purples in the whole dress is a mint green color, like a pista green, mint green, more of a pastel color. So we're going to keep it a little more, like a mauve pink kind of a thing, mixing it with, this brown and a little bit of brown here. Just mixing it together. Yes. And gonna kind of dab. Yes. There is an excellent base blush topper also, which I'm going to take you through and I'm going to show you. That's also amazing. That is from Faye Beauty, and that has been a game changer. I feel once you have that, you don't even need any sort of stroke cream, to be very honest. I genuinely like it. So here, alrighties, we're gonna quickly taking this bronze powder here. Yes, and just go in with a little bit here. Yes, just to give that definition. Yeah. I don't know if it shows, guys. Like I said, I'm not really doing it for the camera or for, I just want to keep it light, just make it look as simple as possible. Yes, we're done. I think I might do that a little later. Like if I need to, I'll check once I've done my entire thing, and I, will, after my spray, I usually do put in my highlighter and my blush because it really looks really nice. I'm going to go with this color and just build my base. That's quite a lot. Yeah. I take it up also just to kind of give this one whole look. Yes. And I feel that looks all put together. Yes. I didn't do it for this. I'm going to just take it up here. Just go into this motion of like, गाड़ी ना वाइपर्स हो ना बस एवी रीतना. Yes, so that's about it. I'm just gonna quickly do this trick that I had, again learned from someone. If you kind of give this definition to the upper lid, it looks amazing. Yes, and I have really small eyes, and when I smile, they go even smaller. So I do this. It just gives, I don't know, my eyes, I feel they look much better. Yes, that's done. And since I am more of a color person, I don't like a basic brown or a black as much. I do brown once in a while, but I love colors like love purple, blues and greens a lot as my eyes, so I'm gonna do that and then quickly get into my eyeshadow. Yes, right now I'm just gonna line it. This kajal that I'm using is from one of my favorite brands. I found this on Tira. It's from Color Essence. Sorry, not from Color Essence, just Essence. And it's brilliant. I have used their brown and blue also. So I saw this and I immediately got it, and it's absolutely inexpensive. I mean, and the staying power is also great. Yes, so that's about it right now, and we're gonna just quickly put in some glitter on the eyes. Yes, we'll go in with a little pink and this, right, and the golden, since it's not very golden. Oh, it's cream shade, I did not know. Oopsie. All right, let's just go in with how this turns out. Let's see. I'm just taking it in this motion, yeah, because I by mistake dabbed into the cream one also, so I'm just dragging it this way. Yes, by the way, this is a Swiss Beauty palette that I'm using, and I discovered this on Nika. I genuinely love the palette and the color payoff. It's amazing. So anyone who's a beginner and wants to start off with makeup, this is really good. It's called the Swiss Beauty Limitless Eyeshadow Palette. This is the one, and this is how the shades look. I'm just gonna open it and show it to you. Yes, this is how the shades look. They're beautiful. I used right now, I don't know if you can see it, I used this was the cream one that I said that I dabbed into by mistake, this and this. I just mixed it and I used it because the colors that I have are on my outfit are very pastel and very similar to what I have used. Yes, and I'm now just gonna quickly finish off everything else off camera, show you the whole look. Yes, because I am getting super late. Yes.